Hello Friendos, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening up my Boxycharm Premium Box for the month of November. So guys, let's be surprised together, see what's in here. I'm really hoping for some indie brands on this go round. And if you don't mind, I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. Please go ahead, hit subscribe, help me get to that goal by the end of the year. Okay guys, let's get into it, starting now. My sister's already running her mouth and we just got started. You're gonna be the narrator for this video. You're gonna tell us what's going on.
Okay.
Okay, so we have this product right here. Go ahead.
It is the Skin Ink Sculpt Lift Bar, 24 karat gold.
24 karat gold? Does this mean we're rich?
Retails for $125.
$125 here in my own hand. What a value. What, you're relinquishing your responsibility as a narrator? Okay, so the Sculpt Lift Bar. It says this is a contouring facial massage of our luxurious 24 karat gold plated vibrating bar. Helps smooth, depuff, lift, and relax facial muscles at 6,000 vibrations per minute.
It's over 9,000!
This is it, you guys. This also, I just want to say, for something that's 24 karat gold, this is the cheapest, most yellow gold I have ever seen. The Sculpt Lift Bar is AA battery operated. To replace the battery, twist the bottom of the bar anti-clockwise completely, insert the batteries, and twist again to close. Okay, so since we don't have batteries, I'm just going to demonstrate what you're supposed to do. That was too stupid. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, I'm gonna guess that this is made in the US. It does not. No. They tried to get away with it. It's made in China. So much for being Lux. So this is a St. Lux.
Just borrow the other one.
That was a St. Lux Lip Duo. They swatch nice. Or this one did. So go ahead, tell us what it is.
It's a gel lip liner.
So it's settled. This is a gel lip liner. It retails for
$30.
Okay, $30. We have from Complex Culture the executive level mascara, and I know this is made in China. I've got to say though, the items that I have tried from Complex Culture have all come from Boxycharm, and I've liked everything that I've tried from the brand so far. Their designs are really sleek and pretty. This doesn't really look like anything that's special, but maybe we can try it out. Okay, so this is a 5-in-1 lengthening mascara. What does it do? It defines, it lifts, it lengthens, it volumizes, and it nourishes. So how much? 28 doll hairs. Okay, next up we have Wishful Clean Genie Cleansing Butter. So question, if I use this to take off my makeup, does that make me a butterface? Wishful. So it says that there's a green tea extract in this, malachite, and cherry blossom. Kind of weird for cleansing butter, but whatever. I don't smell anything. It barely has a smell. Okay, what's the retail value? $35. I don't really have that much to say about this, guys. I use the Vanilla Cleansing Balm. It's a little bit cheap. I can get more in their ginormous size, and I think that that's $28. And to be honest, I'm not really looking to switch it up. I think it works better than the pharmacy one, to be honest. Just no one knows about it, so I don't feel like it gets talked about enough. I don't mind trying this out, but again, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, then from Iconic London, we have the Precision Duo. This is a contour pot, 2-in-1 cream and powder contour. They did a little bit better job with the packaging this time. So swatching this. This feels really nice, actually. Ooh, I actually think I'm gonna like this. This is so weird. So this part right here, you guys, it feels more oily than the last one, but it dries down instantly when I go to apply. This will probably go with me on my vacation. And this normally retails for $29. A miracle. You'll never guess where this is made. Like everything we tried from Iconic London so far, you guys, has been made in China. This is not. They actually got a product made in Italy. And what do you know? It shows. Okay, you guys know I love Dominique Cosmetics. I am so excited. So this normally retails for $49. It is made in the USA. I can't believe this was in there. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is definitely the most exciting thing I've gotten in any of my Boxycharm boxes. Shall we get to swatching? Stepping Out, Mesmerized, Life of the Party, Dinero, La Noche, Elevated. Yo, she has improved her matte formulation. Essential, Embrace. That one's kind of chalky looking, but still. After Hours, and Midnight Haze. Oh, I regret sleeping on this, but I guess I don't because I just got it. Fantastic. This is so much prettier in person. I can't wait to do some looks with this. Also, I can just tell by swatching that the matte formulation has been drastically improved. Not that it was ever terrible or anything, but you know, her mattes, they're not like Natasha mattes or JSC mattes. These right here were primo. So I paid $43 for this box. The total retail value is $296. Wow, what a deal. Everything else was just okay, but I'm so excited to play with the Chris and Dominique palettes. So I suppose we shall end the video off here, you guys. Parting is such sweet sorrow, but I have a prank to pull. So my sister and I are gonna take the facial massager and tell them, oh my gosh, this came in my Boxycharm, and then see what their reaction is. I'm really curious to see what they think this is. Okay, so I'm off to my nonsense. You guys have a fabulous rest of your day. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, if you were laughing, or if you were just watching in an ultimate state of cringe. I really appreciate your pity. Please go ahead and give this a like. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, because if not, we'll both have to live in the sorrow of never knowing what could have been. Alright guys, have a great one. Bye.